I don't care to go with a bunch of people, but I've heard of hundreds of people for the Jackson and Du Bois openers, you know. Part of it for me is to not see other folks get out a little bit, escape it all. Oh, man. Big one. You see it laying right out in that green grass?
I call it.
No, that one's mine. I got to come out of here with one. Oh, boy, that's a big one. Hey, slow down. It's way down there. We might want to horn hunt this and then come back and pick that up. Told you it's addicting.